Hey you guys, welcome back. So I just walked inside of Walgreens and I just came in to see what was going on in here since I haven't been in here in a minute. I see these brushes, Kabuki, and these are Walgreens brand. Nice prices. Here's a total face brush set for $10.99. I really like the Soap and Glory. If you don't find it in yours, you can always get it at Target, but they have some cute sets. I don't see a price on it though. Now that's for the Gillette. I don't see a price for this one, but that's a nice big set. And here's some cute makeup bags. You glow, girl. Those are cute. Let's see. Some Maybelline. They usually start putting out a lot of their new stuff right after the New Year's. That's why I'm saying I haven't been in here. Here's the Wet n Wild. It says new at Walgreens. They have all kind of colors. Look at that. They even have a gold. What are these? These are Perfect Pout. So I haven't even heard of these, but they apparently got a bunch of colors. And they are $3.99. Here's some more CoverGirl, Milani. Up here they have some lip art by Rimmel. So I guess you can draw inside the lines or create your own lip art right here. And they got some wild colors like blue, red, pink. That purple is pretty. And some of these. Here's Revlon Ultra HD Matte Mousse. Oh, I'm tempted to try this color right here. What is that? It's Crimson Sky. That's pretty. They got all kind of colors, and those are $9.99. Some Milani palettes for $19.99. Most Loved Mattes and Bold Obsessions. And they have a primer. Okay, what is this? Wet n Wild. That's different. Wait, I think I've seen these before, unless they're just new colors. So that's Palm Beach. That's Sunset Striptease. These are $4.99. Here's the Rainbow Highlighter. I know I've seen that before. Here's Hustle and Glow, and that is a loose highlighting powder. I don't think I've seen these before. Here's a 3-in-1 primer, water, coconut, and they have cucumber. Ooh, this is interesting. How much are those? Those are $4.99. And this one is natural finish, and I even saw rose. So rose right here, coconut and cucumber. That's cute, or cool. I should say cool, not cute. And then here's some more face primers. Water drop primer in cucumber and rose. What's down here? These are the Black Radiance. You got a contour palette, a 3D highlighter. So that looks like that. And those are $9.99, and the contour palette is $8.29. Then you got all these foundation sticks and complexion correctors. Okay, I've seen those. I really like those. I think those are nice. I'm tempted to try this one, the Originator, this dark purple. I love that. And those are $9.49. Revlon right here for $9.99. Pillow tips, tinted lips, all those colors. Okay, back here some L'Oreal new Rouge Signature Bare Lip Sensation, $11.99. It always be like the color that I want is always missing. Like I would have tried this 412 Rebel, but it's gone. That's a pretty dark color. I enjoy, but they got a few colors here. Oh, that was pretty too. I Achieve, kind of like a salmon color. That, and what did I say? $11.99 for those. The new, it says New Infallible L'Oreal. Oh, here's some more over here. And then here's some Valentine's Day limited edition Infallible chocolate scented liquid lipsticks. I didn't even hear about these. but they supposedly smell like chocolate. I have to try one. Let me open it and smell it. Surprisingly, I opened up this one right here, which is Candyman, and then I went down here and opened up this one. This one they all smell like chocolate, but this one had a lighter scent to it, and this one, the dark chocolate, had more of a deeper chocolate scent, and I have not heard of these, so these are super cute. So you got Candyman, Sweet Tooth, Dose of Cocoa, Box of Chocolate, Bittersweet, and Yum Yum in different chocolate shades. How interesting is that? Then here's some hydrating facial foam cleanser. This is a Walgreens brand for $4.99. They got the foaming and the exfoliating and antioxidant facial moisturizer, as well as their cleansing water and facial mask. Here's a Glow and Go Gold Face Mask Trio Gold Edition. That is interesting. I'm interested in that, but I just don't like masks, so I have to pass on that. Some bath salts for $5 with the cute little scooper. Oh, Aveeno has some new products. Here's some oat milk blend shampoo and conditioner, fresh greens for refresh and thicken, and then blackberry protein blend right there. Look at that, rose water and chamomile almond oil blend, apple cider vinegar. That's interesting. And these are buy one at $8.49 and get the second one 50% off. And then down here, what is this? Cake, the Holdout setting and shaping moisturizing beach spray. I've never even heard of Cake. The Do Gooder volume dry shampoo. And those. Here's some of the new Essie colors for Valentine's Day. I showed these at CVS on Instagram, but they have some cute colors. Look at that. This is called Galentine. You're So Cupid, and they all have like these little flakes in them. You see that? Like little confetti hearts and stuff. So here's the colors. Those are pretty. And here's something called Treat Love and Color Strengthener, and they have different colors. So these are more like the gold tones up here, and then you have these down here. That's a rose gold. Look at this purple. Laced Up Lilac, Finish Line Fuel, and then like a dark blue or a metallic blue, and then a gray. Okay, and that's it for the makeup department. Pretty much, they have a lot of stuff, but I mean, it's just your regular stuff. But I want to head over to the Valentine's Day section and see what they have, because I haven't been in here. So look at these little dolls. Super cute. Okay, so over here they got a bunch of little gift sets down there for $14.99. This looks like a Lush bath bomb, but it's $6.99. They have a few things like that. Mango peach. And these are bath fizzers. $5.99. Look at this. That is so cute. Magical Gold Edition. It's a tape dispenser for $12.99. And it comes with some rainbow tape already in it. These little signs up here. Cute little trinket dishes for $6.99. That's a bit pricey, but they are cute. You got that one. That. And that's all I see in there. Some cups. I am loving that blue. That is so pretty. $6.99. And that frame. Look at that. And they even have a little trinket dish for $6.99. Unicorn everything. Here's a little cup. I like that cup. $9.99. Oh, this is cute. Your bottle opener and your wine stopper. And then they have socks. Donut socks and unicorn socks, $9.99. Round jewelry case, $7.99. They also have that in that color. Look at these. Cell phone pocket. I actually need another one of these. The one on my phone right now is tore up. You guys, this comes in so handy. I literally keep stuff in these, so that's really good. I'll probably grab another one of these. The one I have has been, I've been having that for like a year now, and it's almost getting tore up. These tassel keychains are cute. That, if you're getting married, officially off the market, or if you just want to let people know that at work. That's cute. $6.99. Cute little bags. And all of this. You know, they have lots of dolls. We won't go through all the dolls. Let's come down here to the other gifts. Oh, this is cute. Little calendar with the Mickey and the Minnie on it for $12.99. Here's some lights. Those are cute. $5.99. Here's another little marquee. There's some pillows down there, sequin pillows. I'm tempted to go swipe my hand on it, but I'm not. Do what makes your soul shine. And it has a little silver in the corners. $4.99. Oh, these are nice. Sugar kisses. They don't really, let me see. Okay, they smell good. I like this one. This one is flower petals. I'm not big on flower smells. This one smells sweet, but it was like a light sweet, but it smells good. And those are $12.99 now. Goodness. Shimmering champagne. Okay, that smells like champagne, but that's in a pretty jar. Look at that. And those are $7.99. And blushing berries. And they have some cute cups. Love you a latte. I like that. And that's how the top looks. And they got more back there. Do more of what makes you happy. That one. And these are like ceramic. Good morning, lovely. Those are $5.99. And then they also have this. I love this because it's purple. And those are glass. I thought it was plastic. And those are $2.99. Those are pretty. Oh, this is what my daughter was talking about. Squishy stress gear sticker that you can put on the back of your phone for you. Like if people that like to use squishies, you put this on your phone and you can like go like that to it. So they go on the back of your phone. But look at these. Aren't they cute? They got different ones. Oh, my daughter was telling me about these things. Oh, these are cute, but I don't see a price on them. I'm not too sure, but they're here. Here's some more cups. Get it, girl. These are $5.99. Oh, this one is pretty. Oh, I like that a lot. It says be beautiful. It looks like the one that I got, I think last year at Target, with the little diamond top like that. And this is $5.99. Gem top. That's nice. Bath fizzers up here if you're trying to make a Valentine's Day basket or something. Vanilla macaroon confetti. Bath confetti. $2.99 or buy two get the third free on that stuff. Oh gosh, there's somebody at the register just cussing his butt off. Okay, so anyways, they got a bunch of little like little toys that you can give like for the kids to go inside of their Valentine's Day cards or whatever. So you got all kind of stuff over here. Look at these squishy toys. $2.99. So just a bunch of little stuff. And then behind me over here is a bunch of candy. And all of this. Everywhere I go, I see this man. He always somewhere I'm at. And in Target, I said I was going to bite his head off. Oh, but look, they got a Wonder Woman chocolate for $4.99. That's cute. And that's it for over here. I think they probably had more or they're going to put out more, but either I missed it or I'm too early. Okay, so now I'm over in the spring section before I leave out. Look at this pineapple aloe grow kit. Ain't this cute? $4.99 for that. So it comes with everything you need. 4 growing medium pellets, 1 aloe seed pack, and 1 pineapple pot. This would make a super cute gift. That one, and then I like this. I might have to get this for my daughter. So, oh look. It looks like you have a little one coming out that tip of that right there. So you have these. Here's this succulent with the planter for $14.99. And then you have these fake little cactus and flower sets. Those are $7.99. And here's this. I like that. And that is only $7.99, and they have different ones in there. Oh, look at that. $7.99. That is so cute. That. Oh, they got some lights. A little cactus, pineapple. Oh, those are bright too. And then flamingos for $4.99. Glass markers. Look at these. You can hang these up. Okay, these are only $4.99. Those are cute. And they got different flowers or cactus in each one. Different ones. Up here you have a neon light, LED neon lights for $9.99. That, what is this? These are pretty, $5.99. The gold or the pink glass. Here's some more pineapples. This one is more like a cactus container for $7.99, and they have this color cactus too. Really cute. What else? Did I miss anything? Down here is a garden planter, like a wall planter for $9.99. And then some kitchen herbs growing kits. I totally skipped past these cups. I was about to walk away and I said, wait, I didn't even look at these cups. Look at that. This looks like something you would get at the zoo or something like that with the little souvenir top. That would cost you like $25. But they're $5.99 here. So you have the flamingo, and then you have this pretty flower. Be Wild. Those are cute. Okay, you guys, so that's it for in Walgreens. I'm gonna head out of here. I just wanted to stop in here since I was across the street. I'm gonna head somewhere else, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Okay, bye.